being not over 65 years old and having no existing illness, the government added a requirement for teachers and school staff joining the test run for in-person classes.
All school personnel, teachers and non-teaching should be fully vaccinated when they participate in the pilot face-to-face.
Just last week, Education Secretary Leonor Briones said COVID-19 vaccination won't be a requirement for teachers. But DepEd and the Health Department finally agreed it's crucial in protecting the still unvaccinated children. The government is not yet giving vaccines to children despite two brands securing approvals for up to as young as 12 years old as officials blame global supply shortage.
When the safety of the state is concerned from a pandemic, the state has the right to impose mandatory precautions.
Hanggat sa maaari na lahat ng humaharap sa bata ay bakunado, yun ang gusto naming mangyari. And the way by which we can protect the children.
Still, education and health officials do not dismiss the possibility of vaccinated adults getting COVID and asymptomatic carriers transferring the virus to children. But they insist safeguard measures are in place.
Testing will not be recommended. What we are going to do whenever there would be those children or even the teachers having symptoms, that's the time that we do isolation and then we do testing.
There will be a separate DOH contingency guidelines in case of infection among school personnel and children.
This virus will not be going away. We need to look at how best to provide the opportunity for face-to-face learning to children so that we can compensate the negative effects of not being able to have face-to-face learning.
The Teachers Dignity Coalition agrees with the mandatory vaccination for teachers and says even without the pilot test, teachers should be a priority for vaccines. The group also wants teachers' participation in physical classes to be optional and for DepEd to be liable in case a teacher or pupil gets sick.
Dapat po ito ay panagutan ng DepEd. Dapat gastusan niya ito, natulungan niya ito financially. Ang dami na pong nahawa ng mga teachers. The DepEd would just conveniently dismiss that those infections, non-work related. This time, hindi po kami papayag na ganun-ganun lang.
In a statement, DepEd says the agency has funding for COVID prevention, protection, and compliance with protocols for in-person class pilot run. But medical expenses will depend on what's indicated in the memorandum. Carolyn Bonquin, CNN Philippines.